they're leaving. Bye, Tay. You can't look on the camera, Skettle. Watch her roll her eyeball them. You see her mouth? You see her mouth? Watch her. Say hi, Tay. That's all she ever does is give us the wave. I swear, you're the queen, eh? All you do is wave. We at the airport. Airport life. They're checking in over there. You see them? You gotta go down to the thing.
Yeah, first. And I use the washroom over there instead.
Okay.
I feel like I can't see it.
Tina wants to know, how does she look?
Yeah, I do.
You look nice, Tina. Your hair looks nice. Her issue is her hair. Your hair looks nice.
Oh, it's not bad. It was getting blown away in the wind, so I was concerned. I was concerned.
She got problems.
Are you guys excited to see the secret location is gonna be revealed soon?
Watch it.
It's called Don't Want to Be Seen.
Airport seat.
They say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I make shots, I miss locks. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, swing locks and pop locks.
Bye.
I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient.
Let me get out of people's way.
Who's at the top, think I'm gonna erase it, face it. I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me.
The queen wave. Bye. We're at the train station. Let's go to T Dot. It's Toronto time. Me and my rider there go on a train. Our first time on the train from Ottawa to Toronto. Welcome to ReallYTaYa's life. It's a vacation vlog time. We're up on vacation. We take a break from the cold. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a little vlog on what it's like traveling on the train from Ottawa to Toronto. So far, we came in, we checked in. Why is his face like that? So far, we came in, we checked in, and as I showed you previously, we at the lounge until it's time to get on the train. So enjoy yourself, watch your vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And me talk to you later. Peace out. Okay, so it is now.
Carry on? Okay.
Yeah. So I'll just wait for you because we'll just go.
Go together?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, well, whenever you guys are ready.
Okay. Okay, so it is time to board the train. Our train leaves at 12:30. So they're going to help us bring our bags on the train, and then I go on the train, so me excited. We never go on the train before. Well, I've been on trains before, but we never go on the train before. And we'll go by business class. I'm want to see a business class before on the train. Right, Luke?
What?
We just take a picture and recover that.
Yeah, just meet me outside.
Another elevator with all our luggage. I should have very sent them on this. Hey, hi.
Want to help him?
Oh shit. Let me go. Oh, sorry.
We got time. Take your time. So, are you with the group with a lot of luggage?
Yeah.
Okay. So, car one here. Everybody else, please keep going. This is car one, business class. You wanna? The luggage are gonna be at the back there, but you can come in here and sit down if you want. Car one. Yeah, over here.
Can I take my? I can take
Yes,
my
yes, you
hand.
can
This is
bring
my
that
hand
in your
luggage.
seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring that your seat. if you want.
Okay. Okay.
Going on, this is car one, right? This is class?
Yeah.
Put all your bags in the car next door. There's still space in this car for
That's
all the
his
luggage.
hand luggage, so he'll
Okay,
probably
so
keep
we'll
that one.
Keep that one here?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do all the rest next door.
So car one over here, then 3, 4, 5, and 6 back there. Business class.
Go ahead. I'll wait for you to get back.
You mind just waiting over here, please?
No, no problem.
Over here, 3, 4, 5, and 6 at the back, please. And business class, car one over here. Everybody else, please keep going. Yeah, car one.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, I gotta eat too.
Nothing special. You can open it. Thank you.
Drinks.
Appreciate the help.
Time for drinks. Rum and orange juice.
Double.
Thank you.
Use this one. Yeah, I have this one too. I don't think it's enough.
Oh, no, that's
Do you think it's enough?
fine. Oh, yeah.
You like a strong?
Oh.
He driving today.
Thank you.
Normally I'm driving. Not today.
Nobody's picking you. Are you somebody picking you up?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hello. I think it's Of course. We made 5 so far. Oh, yes. The best one. Of course. And spicy regular.
You know your ass is Jamaican. You know you're a true Jamaican.
I'll take a little cup there. White wine, right? Kick you out?
Because we're not together anymore.
Especially I'm trying to pay it off. Why would I kick you out?
We're not together anymore.
No. You still enjoy.
Them paper towel are the real deal. Are the best paper towel me ever have. Put it. I want to rock this, you know? This is a... It's a rag. Nice and strong. You can't keep this all day. Anyways, we still out here moving on the train. Life is good. Just chilling. No driving for Luke this time. He loves to drive long distance. He like, I'm taking a break today. How you feel, baby? You take a break today?
Very relaxing.
Very relaxing. Okay. Anyways, we're going to do a thing. Me a edit and we just here. I had the pasta, Luke had the chicken, and yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you at the end of this train ride. Right by the lake, eh? Right by the lake. Been separated.
No, I'm a boy.
Look at him, he has no manners. Anyways, so we reach at Toronto. I know we're head Western. So me soon now Western. Me reach beach.
Beach this.
We reach at Toronto. But I'm there. I'm there to Jean. On a Western Road. Me reach.
Church Street.
Okay, GPS. Me reach. Yes, me reach. And you know, you see the people that must say how me auntie them funny.